with the most merciful and beneficent. Respected the principal, honorable teachers, and my school fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today my speech topic is why I love Pakistan. I love Pakistan because it is my own country. I live in it, I breathe its air and drink its water and eat its food. I love Pakistan because it's my forefathers' land. They have loved and worked for it. I love Pakistan for its ancient civilization. Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Taxila have great ancient civilization of this land. I love Pakistan because this is the land of warriors and poets. Qaid-e-Azam, Liaquat Ali Khan and many other great men have been here. I love Pakistan because I live in it. In the last, I love Pakistan because it is Islamic state. It believes in one God, Allah. They believe equality of man. They believe the rights of the people. They believe universal peace. They are against of feudality. It is Islamic state. They believe in the Islamic region. It is gift of Allah. Pakistan, my land, my own land. I love thee and thee alone. मदहोश नहीं बेदार हैं हम, मदहोश नहीं बेदार हैं हम, हर आहट पर तैयार हैं हम. समझे ना कोई गाफिल हमको, समझे ना कोई गाफिल हमको, वतन पे मरने के लिए तैयार हैं हम. थैंक यू.